聴いてください。マネスキンさんのザ・ロンリスト。Your pretty silence part of me, a part of me that we never mind. It's obvious tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You're stealing oxygen, shut up free. I see your face when I close my eyes. It's torturous. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. The blues of mine that I have wrote in case you that's what I want. That's what I want. So don't be sad that I'll be gone. Just one thing I hope you know, I love you so. Cause I don't even care about the time I can lecture. The only thing that I know now is that I wanna spend it with you. But do you, nobody else here. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You'll be the silence part of me, a part of me that will never be mine. It's obvious. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You're feeling oxygen free. I see your face when I close my eyes. It's dangerous. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. I'm sorry, but I gotta go. If ever miss me, give this go. I know to go. I just keep on thinking how you made me feel better. The all the crazy little things that we do together. In the end, it doesn't matter. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You'll be the silence part of me, a part of me that will never be mine. It's obvious. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You're feeling oxygen free. I see your face when I close my eyes. It's dangerous. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You'll be the silence part of me, a part of me till we never be mine. It's obvious. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You'll be the silence part of me, a part of me till we never be mine. It's obvious. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. You're feeling oxygen free. I see your face when I close my eyes. It's dangerous. Tonight is gonna be the loneliest. ありがとうございました。